Hi Ram students, in the previous videos we have learnt about the uses of microorganisms. We learned that microorganisms are used in the making of curd and bread. We know that the bacterium Lactobacillus helps in converting milk into curd, and we learned that yeast is used in the production of bread. We learnt about the commercial uses of microorganisms. We learned that yeast is used in the large scale production of alcohol, wine, and vinegar. We also learnt about the medicinal uses of microorganisms. We learnt that certain fungi and bacteria are used in the production of antibiotics and vaccines. In this video, we are going to learn about how microorganisms are used for increasing soil fertility and cleaning of environment. Okay? So take your notebooks and write down these points. Increasing soil fertility. In agriculture, microorganisms are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. We know that 78% of our atmosphere is made up of nitrogen gas, but this nitrogen gas cannot be directly used by the plants. So, what happens? The nitrogen fixing microorganisms that are capable of transforming nitrogen gas from the atmosphere into fixed nitrogen are used to increase the soil fertility by fixing the nitrogen, such as some bacteria and blue green algae are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Now, this is a very important question which may come in your exam, which is what are nitrogen fixers? Nitrogen fixers are the microorganisms which are capable of transforming the atmosphere nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds like ammonia, which are usable by plants, and they increase the fertility of the soil. Examples of nitrogen fixers are some bacteria and blue green algae. What do these nitrogen fixers do? They are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. Okay, students, here is the image of the blue green algae viewed under a microscope. Okay? Now we will learn about how microorganisms are used to clean the environment. We can often see large amounts of dead organic matter in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You may find that they disappear after some time. Many times near your house, you would have seen lots of decaying dead plants or maybe even sometimes animals, and after few days when you go to the same place and see, you will notice that the dead plants and animals are completely gone. Why did this happen? This is because the microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances. The microorganisms are responsible for this because they decomposed the dead plants and animals by converting them into simpler substances. In this picture, you can see the different stages in which this dead animal has been decomposed by microorganisms. Microorganisms convert complex substance into simpler substances by process like decay. They completely break down the organic matter in the presence of air without giving off foul smell. This ability of certain bacteria to break down complex organic matter into simpler substances is utilized in gobar gas plants. Now, this ability of microorganisms to break down the complex organic matter into simpler substances is used in gobar gas plants. Let us see how. Cow dung and other excreta are collected and subjected to bacterial action. This releases inflammable gases consisting mainly of methane. The gas is used for domestic cooking. So, cow dung and other excreta are collected and subjected to bacterial action. Bacteria acts upon this excreta and cow dung and it releases inflammable gases which mainly consists of methane, and this gas is used for domestic cooking. This type of gobar gas plant we can find more in North India. And the solid and liquid residue is used as rich manure for agriculture. You would have seen people using the dried cow dung as manure for agriculture. Okay, students, so what did we learn in this video? We learned that microorganisms help to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Biological nitrogen fixers are some bacteria and blue-green algae. These are the examples of nitrogen fixers. And what do? They fix the nitrogen in the atmosphere and increase the soil fertility. Microorganisms are also helpful in cleaning of environment. How do they do that? Microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals and convert them into simpler substances. This ability of microorganisms to decompose complex substances into simpler substances is used in gobar gas plants, where the cow dung and other excreta of animals are exposed to bacterial action, and this releases an inflammable gas consisting of methane, and this gas can be used for domestic cooking. And the excreta of animals is also used as manure for agriculture. So answer these questions, students. Go through the video again, go through your points and then answer these questions. First question: what are biological nitrogen fixers? Give examples. Second question: how do microorganisms help in cleaning of environment? And the last question: write a short note on gobar gas. Okay, students? Thank you.